In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate Klaviyo pop-ups on Shopify. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. All right, let's get started. First, you're going to need to log into your Klaviyo dashboard. Once you're in, look to the left-hand navigation menu. You'll see an option labeled Sign Up Forms. Go ahead and click on that. From there, you'll want to select the specific pop-up form you wish to use. This is important as it allows you to customize how you want your visitors to interact with your site. Now that you've chosen your pop-up form, look for the Targeting and Behavior tab on the left panel. This is where you can set up your display timing rules. It's crucial to configure when and how the pop-up appears based on visitor behavior. For example, you could set it to show only after a visitor has been on your site for a certain amount of time or when they're about to leave the page. Adjusting these settings will help you catch your visitors at just the right moment. Next, let's verify the form type. Make sure that it's explicitly set to either pop-up or flyout. You want to ensure that it's displayed in the way that you want visitors to see it. After checking that, you're almost done with this phase. It's time to publish your changes. Look towards the top right corner and click on the Publish button to save everything you've adjusted. This ensures that your form is now prepared and ready to be displayed on your storefront. Now, let's move on to Phase 2, where you'll enable the pop-up form in your Shopify store. Start by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Online Store option and then click on Themes. You should see your active theme listed there. Click the Customize button next to it. Once you're in the Theme Customizer, take a look at the far left vertical sidebar. You should find an option labeled App Embeds. Click on that, and you'll see a list of apps that can be embedded in your theme. Here's where we're going to make a crucial change. Look for Klaviyo, or it might be listed as Klaviyo On-Site. When you find it, be sure to toggle the switch to the On position. This step is essential because it allows the published form to load live on your site. If you forget to turn this on, your pop-up won't display as intended. Lastly, don't forget to save your changes. Click the Save button in the top right corner. This will apply all of your recent adjustments, ensuring everything is set up perfectly. And there you have it. You've now successfully activated Klaviyo pop-ups on your Shopify store. This is a fantastic way to engage your visitors and grow your email list. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.